This is Chris Guld with Geeks on Tour, and I want to show you just a little bit about how using the Kindle app works. This happens to be on an iPhone, but it works about the same on an Android. So I'm talking about that app right there, Kindle. And any Kindle books that you have purchased through Amazon will show up when you open your Kindle app. I can see all of the books that I've ever purchased, or I can see just the ones that are downloaded on this device. To read a book, you just tap it to open it, and then you can turn the pages just by swiping that way or swiping back the other way. Or if you get a little bit of practice, you can even do it with one hand, because it's just tapping on that right margin there that turns the page. Pretty cool. And when you're done, you can just go back home, and notice when I go back into Kindle, it takes me to the exact same place that I left off. What if you say, I'm not sure that this is readable for me? There are so many options for changing the text. You just tap on it, and now you see all the different options on the screen, and I'm going to tap on the AA. I can change the brightness, depending if I'm out in the bright sunlight or I'm in a dark room. I can change it to be a black background with white text. I can make the text larger by tapping that. Or if your eyes are really good and you don't want to have to turn the page so much, you can make the text really small. I don't think so. So make that up. I like it about there. If you don't like the black on white or the white on black, they even have a couple more choices. There's sepia, which is black on and that is pretty easy on the eyes, or even a green color. Now let's say I want to look at someplace else in the book. You tap, and you can tap on the three-line menu, and here are all the table of contents. So if I know it's something in chapter 7 I want to go to, there I am in chapter 7. You can also highlight passages just by touch and drag. I have now highlighted that, and if I want to see everything I've highlighted, it's that item right there. So I have already read this book, and I highlighted lots of stuff in here. So if I wanted to go back and find something that I enjoyed in the book, I can find the highlight, go right to it. And that's just a little bit about using the Kindle app on a smartphone.